Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up price alerts on Coinbase full guide. Open the Coinbase app and sign in, then pick the crypto you want to track and tap the bell icon to add an alert right away. Choose a target price or percentage change, set notification preferences, and confirm. I'll walk you step by step so you can catch moves without watching charts constantly. I'll walk you through creating alerts in the Coinbase app with clear steps anyone can follow. First, open the asset page and tap notifications or the bell icon, then enter your desired price or percent threshold. Choose whether to notify on rises or drops, select push or email, and tap save. You can set multiple alerts per asset to track different targets without getting confused. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the book I showed, The Simple Path to Wealth, can truly change how you think about money and pairs well with learning market habits. Check the description for the link, affiliate deals, and bonus resources to help you save and invest smarter. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Managing alerts keeps notifications orderly and useful, and I'll show quick adjustments you can make. From the Alerts tab, you can edit targets, toggle alerts on or off, and delete ones you no longer need. Use labels or notes to remember why you set each alert and sort by asset for clarity. Regularly review alerts after market moves to avoid noise and keep only meaningful notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.